Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for watching. And today we are meet again in my channel Fadli Tube. And for this moment, I will explain about phonetics and phonology. So, before we continue this video, I will remind you that for newcomer and for new viewers in this video, I hope you subscribe this channel because I will upload more and more content about English subject, especially for my audience at Lucky Dende University. In talking about phonetics and phonology, we will talking more about the differences between both of them. Like what is the basically difference between phonetics and phonology. So we try to discuss more about the definition and find out the difference between both of them to avoid misunderstanding, because many people state that phonetics, phonology, and pronunciation is the same thing, but basically, they are different each other. So I think it's very important to show you what is phonetics and what is phonology. And then to help you and make you easy to understand about many definition in these videos, I will show you the screen where show you the written form of what I say, and then you must listen carefully and then read the text to help you understand what is the definition that I explained to you. The first one, let's see the definition of phonetics. The word phone means sound and tics means scientific or systematic study of something. So we can say that phonetics means scientific or systematic study of human speech sound. Phonetic is general study of all human speech sound and how they are produced, transmitted, and received. The next one, branch of phonetics. The study of phonetics can be divided into three main branches. The first one, articulatory phonetics, or how sound are produced. The second one, auditory phonetics, how sounds are received. And the third one, acoustic phonetics, how sound are transmitted. Pada dasarnya, cabang fonetik itu dapat dikelompokkan ke dalam tiga kategori. Yang pertama adalah articulatory phonetics. Bagian ini membahas tentang bagaimana ujaran itu dihasilkan. Kemudian bagian yang kedua adalah auditory phonetics. Bagian ini menjelaskan bagaimana ujaran itu bisa diterima dan didengarkan ya. Kemudian bagian yang ketiga adalah transmitted phonetics. Bagian ini mengkaji tentang bagaimana ujaran itu disebarkan dan dikomunikasikan kepada lawan bicara. The first one, articulatory phonetics. It is concerned with the position and movements of the lips, tongue, and other speech organ in producing speech. It analyzes how the various speech sounds are articulated by vocal organs. Baik teman-teman sekalian, penjelasan tentang articulatory phonetics adalah berhubungan dengan posisi dan pergerakan dari speech organ, seluruh speech organ dalam menghasilkan sebuah ujaran. Seperti jika Anda mengucapkan sebuah kata, ada beberapa organ speech yang berfungsi dalam menghasilkan ujaran tersebut. The next one is auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics is the study of hearing and the perception of speech sounds. Bagian berikutnya adalah auditory phonetics, yang mana bagian ini mengkaji tentang bagaimana ujaran itu diterima atau didengarkan. Jadi jika Anda menghasilkan sebuah ujaran dan mengkomunikasikan kepada lawan bicara, maka fungsi dari auditory phonetics ini adalah bagaimana ujaran Anda itu bisa didengarkan dan bisa dipahami oleh lawan bicara. Jadi tentunya banyak faktor yang mempengaruhi. Tidak serta-merta ujaran Anda dapat dipahami oleh lawan bicara. Namun faktor dari kejelasan pengucapan Anda, kejelasan dari ujaran Anda, intonasi yang Anda gunakan, pitch yang Anda gunakan, itu akan mempengaruhi tingkat keberterimaan dari ujaran yang Anda perdengarkan kepada lawan bicara. And the last one is acoustic phonetics. This branch of phonetics is concerned with the properties of sound waves. It studies the physical properties of speech sounds are transmitted by the mouth on ear. Bagian ketiga adalah transmitted phonetics. Bagian ini menjelaskan tentang bagaimana ujaran itu disebarluaskan dan dikomunikasikan kepada lawan bicara. Tentunya hal ini banyak faktor yang mempengaruhi keberterimaan ujaran yang Anda hasilkan. Salah satunya adalah tingkat kesempurnaan ujaran yang Anda hasilkan. Now, let's see the definition of phonology. Phonology is a broader study of major speech sound and their organization in a particular language. Setelah menyimak dan mendengarkan definisi dari masing-masing, yaitu phonetics and phonology, kini saatnya kita melihat apa perbedaan dari kedua kajian ini, yaitu kajian tentang phonetics dan kajian tentang phonology. Now let's see the difference between phonetics and phonology. Phonetics deals with production, transmission, and reception of all human speech sound in general with no particular reference to any one language. And phonology deals with the ways those sounds are organized in a particular language. It is subcategory of phonetics. Okay, I think that's enough for this moment. And then after you watch these videos, I hope you know the difference between phonetics and phonology. And then still stay tuned in my channel, because near the future I will upload the continuous of this video and talking more about sound in English. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.